Welcome. In this video, we demonstrate how to edit a photo on Treatment Pad. Select the photos that you wish to edit. Then press the share icon on the top right menu and click Edit Image. Here you'll see your image and a number of options on the bottom left corner. To add a blur, press Blur. To move, press Move, and to resize the box, press Resize. Then, if you'd like to move the box, press Move icon again and move the box as you wish. To add text, simply press on the text icon and add the text as you desire. You also have the option of changing the color and the font of your text. Similarly, you can change the size of your box by pressing Resize and then Move as appropriate. You can add as many frames or blurs as you wish and customize them to your liking. You can move items to the front or the back of the image, and you can add on another image, such as a watermark, from your camera roll by pressing on the image icon on the bottom left. Once you're happy, press Save, and the image will be saved onto the patient's album. Thank you for watching.